In these videos, I'll be going over problems that appliances are having, like you're talking washers, dryers, stoves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. And what I'll do is I'll find the post with a problematic appliance. I'll read the post. I'll play the video or photograph or both, and then I'll read the comments that's on that post. And then I'm welcoming all DIYers and appliance techs to chime in as to answers or questions you might have to help with that problem. So it's a big community thing. So remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get started. Okay, here's a post from Alan. Microwave buzzing / humming sound seeking advice for repair. My microwave is Whirlpool AMV2307PFS-0. When unplugging and plugging the microwave doesn't start and says door. After opening and closing, it turns on. There's a buzzing / humming noise that sounds like it's coming from behind the button. The sound just recently developed. I replaced the door switch in the past. Does anyone know what sound is and how to fix it? I want to make sure it's safe for use. And here's the video. Andrew says there is more to the high voltage section than just the magnetron or HV transformer. There is also a HV diode and capacitor that fail quite frequently and are cheaper by far to replace. Do not always assume that the hum and no heat is always terminal. Remember, sports fans, that those components are super high voltage and super dangerous, if not deadly, to play around with. If you don't know what you're doing, leave it to the professionals. 30 years of repairing microwaves have given me a healthy respect for what they can do even when unplugged. Jim says, grounded magnetron, never operate a microwave empty, even for testing. Always have a cup of water inside. Kevin says, door switches are cheap, but the humming sounds is likely magnetron or transformer. Both are going to be expensive and might as well replace. Chris, on the humming, biggest question is, you didn't mention whether it still cooks or not. There are a whole bunch of wrong answers in here regardless. It is very common on many of the Whirlpool microwaves to give you the door prompt the first time you try to use it after plugging it in, apparently by design. Tom, do you want to know why it hums? That's the question mark. Do you want to know why it hums? Brad, check and or replace the door switches. It is best to replace all of them together. For the hum, check to see if it is coming from the high voltage section or the control area. Eric, keep running that empty and destroy it. Dyron, change diode first. John, stop, just replace it. It won't be economically sound for you to repair. Please don't be offended, but based on your question, I don't believe it is in your skill set. Stanley, I have a repair manual for the exact model, how to fix it. That's it for the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And for you DIYers and you professional techs, if you have any questions or input to help out with this problem, you're more than welcome. Have a good one.